Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I wanted to show you what I got during this past weekend's $5.50, $6.50 sale at Bath & Body Works. So I went twice. I went on Saturday and then I went back on Monday after I looked at my body washes. So I got a moisturizing body wash from Wild Sands because I only had one, so I wanted to get another one. And then I got the body wash. So now I have two of these and one of those. I got a cactus blossom. I didn't have any of these. I don't think. I wanted another marshmallow pumpkin latte because when it gets cooler, I run through these. I got a champagne apple and honey, another scent I really like. I don't have an ivory cashmere and I have a body mist, so I wanted to get that. And I got another black cherry merlot body cream. Then I got two body washes for chasing fireflies, moisturizing, and then a regular body wash, and then I got one lotion. So I went in and smelled these. I really like this. If you like Bonfire Bash but you want a kind of a softer version, I think you'd like this. If you don't like Bonfire Bash because you feel like it's a little too much, I think you would like this. So I got two mist, two body wash, and one body cream. Then I did smell the fresh vanilla blossoms. I liked it enough to get one mist and one body wash. I'm okay on not having backups. Then Copper Fields, I liked this enough to get one body mist and a body wash. I have the cologne of coffee and whiskey, so I decided to go ahead and get the body mist and another shower gel. I do have that. I love this. This is my favorite of the new scents. I smelled it and I was just like, this is just so good. So I got two body mist, three washes, and a body cream. So that is my haul from the $5.95, $6.50 sale. I really want to get this perfume and I'm contemplating. I intentionally held on to my 25% off coupon because I think I might get this. But there's also that new Luminous coming out and the coupon I have doesn't expire to October 2nd. So I may end up getting the Chasing Fireflies perfume. So again, that is it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you got, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.